I'm thrilled to announce my brand new master course on mountain bike geometry. If you love mountain biking like I do, and it's a big part of your life, you owe it to yourself to completely understand mountain bike geometry. A lot of people understand one or two key pieces of information, but they're missing a foundational understanding about why bikes handle the way that they do. We're always seeing brand new components and gadgets and flashy things to bolt onto our bikes, but a far better way to spend your money is to invest in yourself, in your brain and your understanding and your experience. If you truly understand geometry, you can take that knowledge with you for the rest of your life, for the rest of your mountain bike journey in every single bike you purchase. This course will teach you why bikes handle the way they do, and you can use that knowledge anytime you demo a bike, anytime you borrow a friend's bike, if you ever design your own bike, or when you go shopping for your next bike. You'll understand the principles that make a bike handle certain ways. This master course is meaty. It's technical information. My background is in making difficult things easy to understand, and I've worked really hard to make mountain bike geometry understandable to even new riders. But it is a big course, and it's going to take time to get through it. And so don't just expect a quick little 15-minute video to teach you everything there is about geometry. There's a lot to learn here, and it's worth investing in yourself to truly understand this. So whether you're a new mountain biker and it's your first or second year riding, or you've been riding for 25 years and you finally want to understand how all those geometry numbers work together to make a bike ride a certain way, this course is for you. I'm a one-man show, and this has been a labor of love. I've spent hundreds of hours building this, and I'm so excited for people to gain this knowledge. So if you like my work and you'd like to support me and help me put bread on the table for my family, consider purchasing this course so that you can level up your understanding of geometry and take it with you through the rest of your mountain bike journey.